Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 3.1. In that we will see the question number 1. Some figures are given, so we have to classify each of them on the basis of the following. So first one we will see the simple curve. Simple curve. So we have to select which one is simple curve. So first one we will see, it's a closed figure and it is made by the line segment. And second also it is closed figure and made by the line segment. Third is not a closed figure and it is not made by the line segment, and two circles are there, so it is not a simple curve. Fourth one, that is also not a closed curve. Number 5, yes, it is a simple curve. And here also number 6 is a simple curve because it is made by the line segment. And here all number 7, that is also made by a line segment and it's a closed figure, so it will be the simple curve. And number 8, two circles are there and it is connected with each other, so that is not a simple curve. And second one we will see simple closed curve. Which is the simple closed curve? Same thing, first one, that is the simple curve, and second, that is also simple curve. Number 5, that is also simple curve, and closed 2. So simple curve, that is the closed curve, it will be the simple curve. So simple closed curve, number 5 and number 6 and number 7 also is a closed and simple curve. And number C, we will see what is the polygon. So which one is polygon? So 1, that is also a polygon, and number 2 and number 4. So these three figures will be the polygon. D, convex polygon, where all the interior angles will be less than 180 degree. So it will be the convex polygon. So second figure will be the convex polygon. And concave polygon, all the interior angles more than 180 degree, so it will be the concave polygon. So which figure is concave polygon? First one and number 4. These two figure will be more than 180 degree, all the interior angles, so they are the concave polygon. Now we will see the question number 2. In question number 2, how many diagonals does each of the following here? A, convex quadrilateral, a regular hexagon, and a triangle. So here we have to find how many diagonals does each of the following here. So first one we will see the convex quadrilateral. So here number of diagonals in convex quadrilateral, number of diagonals will be 2. Number of diagonals, what is the formula? Number of diagonals is equal to n by 3 divided by 2. So here n is equal to number of sides. N is equal to number of sides. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in place of n we have to write 4. So 4 minus 3. So here 4 minus 3. 4 is a number of side. So here 4 as it is we will write 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So 4 into 1 divided by 2. So we can cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 ones are 2. So how many diagonals will be there? 2 diagonals will be there. Now see the next one. A regular hexagon. A regular hexagon. So as you know, how many sides are there in hexagon? 6 sides will be there. So number of diagonals, that is a formula, number of diagonals is equal to n in bracket n minus 3 is divided by 2. So what is the n? N is the number of sides. So in place of n we have to put the value of n, that is 6. So 6 in bracket 6 minus 3 divided by 2, and here 6 into 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 divided by 2. So here also we can cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. And here 3 into 3, that is the 9. 3 3s are 9. So answer is 9. So how many diagonals will be there? 9. Now we will see the C, a triangle. How many sides are there in the triangle? 3 sides will be there. So number of diagonals, same formula, is equal to n in bracket n minus 3 is divided by 2. So n, that is the side. So in place of n we have to put the number of side, that is 3. So 3 in bracket 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, that is 0. So we have to multiply it with the 3. So answer will be 0 divided by 2. So answer will be 0. So that is the second solution.